So you've always wanted a Nakamura, but you've thought it would be out of your reach and you couldn't afford it. Well, today I've got an offer for you. I'm with Paul Reeves here from ETG. Paul, before the end of the year, ETG are doing a promotion on the Nakamura machine that we see behind us here, which is a WT152. Tell us about this offer and the machine.
Yeah, Paul, we've got some stock machines that we're looking to clear on before the end of the year. So we've got a special promotion in at the moment where these machines are available at under £200,000, which is a hell of a price.
Under 200k. Okay, so we're talking twin turret machine here, twin spindle. We've got a Y-axis on the top turret that we're looking at. One of the points I looked at when I just saw this, Paul, as well, was the on the turrets you've got 48 or you've got 24, so that's double point indexing on those. Yeah,
there's two banks of tools on both turrets. Also, the machine comes with the new Nakamura NT Smart X control.
How good is that NT Smart? Because it looks quite snazzy. Is it a good powerful system?
Very good, yeah, very, very powerful. Obviously, it's phallic based behind that, but a lot of the customers that are currently using the machine all love that control, and it's really opened a lot of doors for us.
You bring these machines in for stock because they're popular. Why is this model a popular seller for ETG?
Well, size-wise, it's quite a compact machine, but it offers a lot capacity-wise. Obviously, it's a high-spec Japanese-built machine. Very reliable. The machines hit the floor. In fact, I even had a very large customer comment to me only a couple of weeks ago that this was the first machine that they put in that they actually had no problems with from day one. It's just run and run and run. They're now at 5 and potentially moving to 8 machines.
Great stuff. So if you're looking for a new machine, always wanted a Nakamura, wanted this Japanese quality, but thought it was out of your league or out of your reach, that might not be the case any longer. One hit machining. This is a special offer here from ETG. Get in contact with them, engtechgroup.com.